And we're back again, like magic. This one is... well, I've been told it's an iPhone 7 short. But let's work that one out for ourselves. I think all of the... it's got no screws in the bottom, so I think all of the shielding, if I remember, is already out of this one. Okay, well, I'm using all my USBs, so let's skip straight to the only test that matters. My black squid! Stop trying to give me squids, Alec! Alec! Yeah, you make me mad, I won't even pronounce your name right. Stop calling you Dave. Stop trying to give me the squids, Dave! Thank you for the offer of squid, but I have plenty of squid. Don't need your squid. Get my own squids. Do you think that's what Alexa feels like? Whoa, okay, let's current limit that. I wonder if this has got a short. Let's have a look. Okay, so we're going to connect. Let's bring this round so you can actually see what I'm doing. And work backwards because, you know, live stream. And we can see we're pulling power straight away. So, definite short. Alright, let's get this board out. Searching. After resetting it, the network settings. Yep. Okay, did you try a different SIM? Try a different SIM. Do the same. If it doesn't come back, or power into it and see where the heat's coming from, should I say. I'm gonna put some heat into this boy. Okay, so straight away we've limited the current on this because I don't want to get too hot. Did worry me when the other shop said it hit 5 amps, so that's quite a serious short. Alright, where are we? iPhone 4. Sorry, iPhone and iPhone 7. Let's get Qualcomm up because I think that's the only one. Switch over to ZXW so you guys can see, and it's the NAND side. Okay, this is going to look like a heat roughly coming around this sort of area. So is that cumulus? Could be being trolled by this. Probably being trolled by that. Let's have a look around this area anyway. Okay, so we've... well, we'd expect this dude here to get a hot, so that's... I can't even remember what it's called. But it's always a troll, that thing is. Let's test around here. Okay, so that's not short. Okay, these two caps here are short. I haven't got that on my setup yet. So let's have a look. It's going to be VDD main or the other one. PP VDD main. Okay, so let's zoom out a bit here and find out. Oh, brilliant. Look, we can put power into it there. We know the bottom's getting warm, so let's check that out anyway. So, check that out. Okay, let's get the freeze spray. Freeze this sucker up. Get Ash to put his hands under here. See how long he can take the freeze spray for us. Initiation test. Alright. Yeah, get through the initial numbness until your finger falls off. It's all good. Right, let's go to... they didn't... What's on the other side? So I don't think it's that side of the board. Let's switch back over. Let's do this. Need to. Need to see where you are coming from. Switch back over. Oh wow, okay, so that's what we wanted to see straight away. There. That dude bubbling. Okay, let's just freeze that back up again. And just watch him pop. Boom. There we go. Found him. Okay, that lady's going to be happy because she thought it was going to be a lot longer. Right, because of where that is, that dude's just getting popped off. He's not. So yeah, it was under the shielding, but still, I don't know why that wasn't coming up. Oh well. It is done now, yeah. Right, now, next, let's get him off. It's proper fried though, that is. Right, there she is. Alright. It gives you every bit apart from the bit you need.
Yeah, pretty much. IMEI number, master number, serial number, PO number, model info, number, name, warranty status.
Have you got the phone here?
No, mate, took it back. You found it? No, it's different Samsung. Oh, okay.
What is it? Well, sod's law, like I said, it was going to be a hard one. Should have been easy. Should have found that straight away. Pretty sure they're known offenders. But that's good learning because now I won't forget that. Still pretty cold. Normally with those sorts of voltages and amps, the thing would be burning hot. So they've exploded it off the board. It's not a method I've tried yet, but I'm curious about it. Okay, we're just going to put this in temporary. Seems like it's cooled down enough. Okay, let's get you there, you up here.
900. 1.4. 1,200. 1,200. Still 1,800.
Yeah, we're just trying a few more charge pools and stuff on it just to rule out what Goblin actually is. But yeah, he's still literally working on it right now, mate.
Did that just boot loop?
So it's gonna be
Have we got touch?
tomorrow.
Have we got touch?
But as soon as he's finished doing it, mate, I'll give you a call and let you know what process.
Oh, we have touch. Let's go back. Let's go back. Okay, so now I know that possibly screen, possibly home button, but phone boots, access to data. Yeah.